Good afternoon to all. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve programming in Python week 1, which due date is 7 September 2024. This is assignment 1, July-October session 2024. Hi, I am Mananjan Sahu, the Nptel Cloud Computing Top Tower 5%. Okay. And we'll try to solve the 10 questions of programming in Python. Let's start. Assignment 1 question, the questions near about, there are 10 questions and we have to solve the 10 questions one by one. So let's start the first question here. Which of the following best defines a problem? Okay, which of the following best defines a problem? 4 options are given. First one is a task that can be easily accomplished without any obstacles. Second one is a situation that makes achieving a goal more difficult. I hope this may be the more appropriate answer of these questions. Let's see, verify our answer. See, because see, a problem is typically defined as a situation or conditions that creates an obstacles or challenges, make it more difficult to achieve a desired goal. So, achieving a goal more difficult, that defines a problem. So, option B is the right answer. Okay. Moving to the question number 2. What is an algorithm approach? Algorithm. See, algorithm means step-by-step procedures. Okay. So, you have to see first one. The random set of actions, no. The creative method, no. A defined set of step-by-step procedures that gives the correct answer to a particular problem. Okay. See, actually what happens? Algorithm approach is a systematic and logical sequence of steps designed to solve problems and guaranteed to produce the correct solutions. So, option C is the right answer. Okay. Option C is the right answer. A defined set of step-by-step procedure that gives the correct answer to the particular problem. Moving to the question number 3, which of the following is a characteristics of scripting language? Okay, characteristics of scripting language. See, what is a scripting language? Especially, a scripting language are generally interpreted rather than compiled. Okay, and they are commonly used in automatic repetitive tasks such as web development and system administrations. So here options, they are interpreted and often used for automating tasks. Option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. They are interpreted and often used for automating tasks. Moving to the question number 4. What is the first steps towards effective problem solving? Effective problem solving. Option 1 is immediately implementing solution. No, that is not the right answer. Understanding and describing the problem correctly. Yes, it may be. We have to verify the answer here. See, the first step in problem solving is to thoroughly understand and define the problem. Without a clear understanding and any attempt for solving a problem are likely to be ineffective. So for effectively solving a problem, first we have to understand and describe the problem correctly. Here, option B is the right answer. So we'll put the option B. Okay. Moving to the question number 5. What does a program comprise? What is a program? A program is a set of instructions. Okay. So here, you know, a set of instructions provide to the computer to solve a particular problem. You can see here, a program is a collection of instructions that a computer follows to perform a specific task to solve a problem. So, option B, 5, option B, that is a set of instructions provided to the computer to solve a particular problem is the right answer. Moving to the question number 7, what is the first steps towards solving the problem with a computer? With a computer. Writing the code immediately? No. Designing the user interface? No. Third one, creating a well-defined problem statement. Creating a well-defined problem statement. Because before writing code or designing any solutions, it is essential to define a problem clearly. This helps that the correct approach is taken in solving it. So, creating a well-defined problem statement. Okay. Creating a well-defined problem, option C is the right answer. Moving to the question number 7, what are the codes also referred to as the source code? As the source code. First one is instruction written in the binary form. No. Machine readable form. No. Instruction written in a specific programming language. Yes. It may be C, it may be C++, Java, Python, Ruby, Perl, whatever may be written in a specific programming language. See why? Because Source code refers to the human readable, means user can able to understand the codes. Instruction written in a programming language before being compiled or interpreted. So if a program is written in a specific programming language, then it is referred to as the source code. So option C is the right answer. Moving to the question number 8. Question is, what does the compilation process do? Okay. First one is converts machine readable code to the source code. No. Second one is convert source code written in a programming language to a machine readable or executable format. Yes, this is the right answer. So C, compilation is the process of translating source code written in a high level programming language. High level means user defined language into a machine code or an executable format that a computer can run. Okay, so question number 8, B is the right answer. Moving to the question number 9. Which of the following is true about the compiling error? Compiling error. First option is compiling errors are independent and do not accumulate. No, this is not the right answer. Then option B, reading the error message issued by the compiler is unnecessary. No, this is not the right answer. Third one is C, compiler error messages are often not very helpful, but reading them can provide hints to help find and fix the errors. Yes, this is the right answer. C, while compiling error messages may sometimes be critical, they often provide a crucial information that helps developer to identify and correct the issue in their code. So here option 9C is the right options. Moving to the last question, question number 10. What is the primary purpose of a documentation within a program? Primary document. Why documentation is required? Optimize the program and performance. No. Second one is to provide a textual information that helps the human readers understand, yes, modify and debug the program. That is the right answer. C. Question number B, because documentation within a program serves to explain the code to human readers, making it easier to understand, modify and debug the software. Okay, what is debugging? Debugging is the process for which you can know the every state of where the errors is being located. Okay, so here question number 10, option number B is the right answer. Okay, so now I'm going to submit the answer. Submit answer button. Now it is revolving. Yes, your answer are being submitted. And what the another message? Thank you for taking the assignment 1. Okay, dear guys, I successfully submitted the assignment number 1 questions of programming in Python, and very soon we will solve the assignment number or which assignment number 2. This is week 2 and which assignment number 2 we will solve. Your assignment number 1 is successfully completed. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you think it is suitable and helpful for you, then definitely you must subscribe my channel. I like this video and share this video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.